Want new name in Mario Kart but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change name in Mario Kart. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on the menu button which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on the settings option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the top of your screen, you can see your name. Beside it, there is pen icon, tap on it. Now enter your new name. After that, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can change name in Mario Kart. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.